Yeah.
Wow. Do you ever do like motorcycle rides with people?
Why? You want to go ride on a motorcycle?
Is that even possible with a streaming camera? I don't know if that's...
Yeah, as long as you hold on to it.
Really?
Yeah.
We can go around on a motorcycle?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, let's do it, Pops.
All right.
Wait, that'd be so fun. I've never ridden on
We're out front.
Oh, let's go. Yes, okay. Yay, my first motorcycle ride.
How much you like it? You want to bring it back in one piece?
Oh, thank you, Kat. Thank you. Oh, this is going to be awesome. Thank you. So, I've done like what's like an AV before?
Oh, an AV, a four-wheeler?
Yeah, is that similar to a motorcycle?
Yeah, a little bit different.
Okay.
Motorcycles have a little more freedom feeling.
Wow, that's so crazy. The only thing I remember about motorcycles, do you remember that show? It's like Dumb Ways to Die, like 99 Ways to Die.
Yeah, I remember that.
Yeah, there's a
999 or 1,000 ways to die, and we used to have all these stupid people. Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. I remember one girl like leaned back on the motorcycle and then broke her skull as one of the ways to die.
Yeah, that could happen if she leaned back and the guy guns it.
Oh gosh. Okay, yeah. So I will make sure to lean forward. Yes. Wow, there it is. This is so exciting. Thank you, Pops, for taking me on a ride.
Oh, sure.
Oh my gosh. Okay. Much better than picking up DDR pads, right?
Much better than lifting weights.
Exactly. This is awesome. So much better. Okay. Wow. Do you have a name for this bad boy or girl?
No.
Wow.
I call it old girl once in a while.
Old girl. Wow. Very nice, Pops.
You are going to have to wear a helmet.
Yes. That sounds great. Oh. Ah.
So you can take this, put it up through the two rings. Strike the rings and pull it back down. All right, so I want you to pull this till it's snug.
Okay.
So you feel it's snug, because otherwise it's going to go boom, 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 boom.
Oh.
You got it?
Yes.
Is it good and tight for you?
Looks pretty
Okay,
solid.
now you're going to take this and you're going to tuck it up in here. Otherwise, the wind's going to take that strap and go.
Oh, okay, that would be bad.
That'll be fun.
Oh my God, this is my first time driving a motorcycle. Oh.
So kind of. Yeah, you put them on.
Thank you.
I'll hold that if you need me to. Just to protect your eyes in case any debris flies.
Wow. This is awesome. Okay. Is it blurry, chat? Oh, wee. Oh no, I'm gonna be a passenger. I definitely can't drive. And you need
you can't drive.
Yeah, heck no. You need a specific license to drive a motorcycle, right?
Yes.
Okay.
They're not hard to get. I mean, you know, you have to pass it. There's classes. You can take classes.
Oh, nice.
And at the end of the class, they give you the test. All right, so you're gonna go on this side. You always get on from that side.
Okay. Wow, looks beautiful. Ooh.
So I'm gonna put this down.
Uh-huh.
I'm gonna put this down.
Okay.
And what you're gonna do is you're gonna put a foot here.
Uh-huh.
You're gonna take my arm and use it.
Thank you.
You're gonna probably want to switch. There you go.
Okay.
And then pull yourself up and right up and over. Sit.
Wee! Oh, point. Wow. Yes. Wow, this is great.
Now sit back in that little recliner back there.
Oh my gosh. Oh dear.
Just pick the mic up.
Yep.
Do anything.
Yes. With this. Woohoo! Oh. Wow, nice surround sound as well.
Oh yeah, you got speakers right there.
May I hold your shoulder, Pops?
Yeah, you can. You don't want to make any sudden movements.
Okay.
Or jumping or anything like that.
No sudden movements. Got it.
Nice and easy. Go nice and slow.
Woo! Yeah! Yeah, rev that bad boy! Very fun. It's cool, it's like a convertible, but without the car part. Like, just out and about. Nice.
like a circle.
Yes, we'll just do like a quick turn. This is awesome. Thank you. Vroom, vroom, vroom. Oh my gosh.
Automatics.
Okay, nice. And then you put your foot down. Oh wow! You're one with the pavement. So cool. Ooh, some Pitbull. Love this song. One. Oh wait, is this Pitbull? Wait, no, who is it? My chat asked if it's electric or gas.
Gas.
Gas, cool.
They really haven't got into making electric bikes. They're starting to experiment with them.
Uh-huh.
But they haven't really taken off yet. I think Holly does have a design for one.
Okay, nice. Whee! Oh, this is so fun! Thank you again for the ride. Just love riding around. Great. So fun. No, I saw it in chat somewhere. And how long have you had this motorcycle?
This one I've had since 2015.
Nice. Oh wow, almost 10 years on this bad boy.
This thing's been to California, South Dakota.
Whoa. All over the nation. Carbide. It's a beautiful day. So how much was this motorcycle?
About 28,000.
Really? But you've had it for almost 9 years?
Yeah.
Okay. So not bad. And it's a lifetime of fun. So it's priceless. Amazing. Cool. 28. like biker gangs and stuff?
Do I know them?
Yeah. Like, have you ever thought of joining one?
I belong to the booze fighting.
Awesome! So you have like some homies that you guys can like drive together.
Oh yeah.
Oh, that's so awesome.
There's actually 2 chapters in Austin.
Uh-huh.
There's one in Khalid, one in Temple, one in Belton. There's all kinds of them in Texas.
Cool. Do you guys like drive across the Mount Rushmore together?
I've been around Rushmore on the bike, but no.
Oh, okay. One time I went to Mount Rushmore, there was a bunch of bikers going on the road. I was like, that looks fun.
Yeah, it's a nice road.
Yeah.
I've been up there twice.
Nice. Cool, Pops. Beautiful Texas.
Crazy about a shot, dressed Miami.
A long red line.
I know.
But thankfully you can see it from outside the car. Wow! Awesome! Do you ever talk to the people driving next to you?
Every once in a great while, you might.
Oh, yeah, maybe.
Sometimes on a nice day, they have their windows down or something.
Yeah, good idea. Yeah, when the windows are down. It's true. Cool. it's cool because now it's like I'm walking it really fast. The exact road. Irresistible. I go off first? Okay. Oh, thank you.
Yep.
And then, oh my God, I don't want to get this all dirty. Okay.
What dirty? The whole bike's dirty.
Oh, that was so awesome. Pops, you're so talented.
Well, I don't know about talented.
You know how to like balance a bike and stuff, and you check your blind spots, and it's very, very impressive. Oh, thank you.
So all you do is just push up and it should loosen up.
Okay. Thank you. Oh.
Guess it don't want to loosen that way. That's all right. We'll get it this way. Hold on. I got it.
No problem. Thank you. Ah, beautiful.
Did you get your head out, or you need
Oh,
to loosen
I think I need to be more
Bruh.
loosened.
Nota, we've just resubscribed for 4 months. I just got here. What is happening?
There you go.
Thank you. Oh, that was so cool. Have you ever been into an accident, Pop? I don't even want to mention it. With the motorcycle?
Yeah, back in 2002, I got T-boned.
No.
Yep.
Wait, they didn't see you or something?
They were pulling out of the parking lot. I was on the road. They hit me
No.
like that. I put my foot down. My foot went down to see my ankle.
No.
I don't know if I can show it. There's
Wow.
two steel plates in there and 8 screws.
Oh, I'm glad you can still walk. And
Oh yeah,
Use
but I still
the
kept riding.
Yes, and still riding. Love to hear it.
Yeah. Yeah, well, it's too much fun not to.
Yeah, and you're so talented at it. Thank you. Yes. Oh, and Pops, you stream on Twitch, right?
I do. Pop's Bar and Grill.
Pop's Bar and Grill.
Barn and
Oh,
Grill.
oh, sorry.
Because
Barn
you know you
and Grill.
can't put any special letters in.
Ah, yes, Barn and Grill.
Okay, so you asked if I was in any motorcycle clubs.
Ooh, booze fighters.
We don't
Perfect.
show them too often. So.
Okay, nice. You're a treasurer.
Secretary, treasurer of the chapter, that's all.
Wow, very impressive. That means you handle the moolah.
The moolah.
Yes.
That's it.
And writing the notes
That's
too. Wow,
All right, I'm
awesome.
heading back up to the temple.
Okay.
Make sure you give him my number.
Yes, I will totally do that, Pops. Thank you so much for the ride.
Sure. You guys ever find yourself up around the temple area, let me know.
Yes, we'll do. Thank
All right.
you.
Go enjoy your workout.
Ah, thank you. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Pops. Thank you so much. Oh. Bye. Don't.